Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Nilum Madi Juli Chandraningsih SPD, salah satu mahasiswa PPG Guru Tertentu tahap 1 tahun 2025 di LPTK Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare dengan program studi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris dengan NIM 2241575315. Pada hari ini, Selasa, 15 Juli tahun 2025, saya akan mengambil video ujian kinerja praktik mengajar bertempat di SMAS Katolik Santo Yosef Denpasar di kelas 10 dengan materi naratif teks. Selamat menyaksikan.
Hi, good morning class.
Good morning.
Okay, meet with me again for today. But as well, before we start,
Stand up, please. Greetings.
Salam sejahtera.
you may sit down. Okay, so we meet again after last week. How are you, by the way?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Are you sure? Good. I hear Miss Julie dengar beberapa bilang I'm great, I'm awesome, tapi mukanya kayak I'm awesome. Well, before we start, here we gonna have the prayer. Jadi seperti biasa ya, kita giliran. Kali ini siapa yang giliran untuk memimpin doa? Who gonna lead the prayer? Okay, Judy. I'm here, baby.
Atas segala berkat dan amin.
Okay, thank you so much. And class, today before I start to check your attendance, nah, visually lihat beberapa yang masih agak ngawang ya. Mungkin kalian, maybe you sit here but your soul is somewhere else. So everyone, I want you to sit steadily first. Okay, Miss Julie akan pandu kita atur nafas dulu sebentar ya. Bisa? Okay, everyone, close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Okay. Tarik nafasnya dulu. 1, 2, 3. Okay, release. Okay, open your eyes. Feeling better? Yes. Okay. Cool. So now, to start our meeting today, Miss Julie gonna check your attendance. This is we're gonna make the checking attendance kind of different. Beda sih. Whenever I call your name, for example, Alex. So Alex gonna answer me by mentioning one name of the animal that started by the first letter of his name. Jadi kalian akan menjawab Miss Julie dengan menyebutkan satu nama hewan yang berawalan dengan huruf awal nama kalian.
Yeah.
Let's try. Alexander? Yes. Ayam in Indonesia and angelfish in English. Okay, cool. Dika? Alligator. Andika ya. Deviana? Shh. What? Dragonfly. Givana? Jellyfish. The last one. Tionista? Tiger. Okay, cool. So can you guess what we are going to learn? Yes, it's a narrative. So, class, maybe who likes reading here? Could you raise your hand? Have you ever read any narrative stories before? Yes. What type of narrative that you prefer? Kalian lebih suka yang mana? Is it fable or fairy tale or folklore? Fable. Why?
Because it's interesting.
Because interesting. We're learning objectives. So the first one, we're going to identify the structures of the narrative text. And then the second, we're going to analyze the character and also the personality. And then the last one, we're going to discover the moral value from the text. But how? Jadi nanti Miss Julie akan bagi kalian dalam kelompok, so you're gonna work in groups, and then kalian juga akan ada presentasi nantinya. And then untuk itu juga akan ada penilaiannya. How is the scoring the first? I gonna take a score of your sikap kalian yang pertama. Itu dari profil Pancasilanya. Bergotong royong untuk kelompoknya dan berpikir kritis on how you gonna work on the LKPD. And then the second one, I gonna take a score also on your interactions in a group. And then the last one, of course, I gonna take the score on your answer in LKPD. You got that? Any questions before we start? No. Are you ready?
Yeah.
To check your focus later on, whenever I call you 10-1, you're gonna answer aye, Captain. Here, I mentioned a bit just to remind you about that. Yeah, so the things I mentioned before about we are going to analyze. Jadi analisnya di mana nanti? This one. Apa sih di orientation itu? What are in complication and resolution? We're going to do like we're going to analyze the characters. The character's name is the rabbit, and then how's its personality? Clever, brave, and helpful. How do we know? We can mention the evidence here. Buktinya juga ada. Buktinya apa? Ada disebutkan he tricked the tiger and saved the animal. Adjective helps. Responsible, respectful, rude, dishonest. Which one do you think is the positive one? Is it in the right side or the left side? Kind or selfish? Kind. So this one is the positive one. Poinnya nanti bisa membantu kalian untuk mentioning the character's personality. 10-1. So last, put everything. Jangan megang handphone, jangan megang pulpen dan lain-lain. Just focus to layarnya.
Became too much to bear. Umbok Siri decided to pray to Potoichi, the rest yet emitted a golden radiance. Splitting it carefully, Umbok Siri found a beautiful baby girl inside. Her plate, the hermit presented Umbok Siri with 4 small pouches. Choosing the second gift, a small bag of needles containing spice and transformed into oil and sun.
What is the title of the video again? Timun Emas. And of course, who is the main character? Timun Emas as well. And then the other characters that supports the story. Siapa aja lagi? The mother. Who is the name of the mother? Mbok Srini. And then who else? The other characters? The hermit. The monster. But what do you think about the main character's personality? It is Timun Emas. Alex, what do you think of Timun Emas' personality?
She's clever.
Why she's clever?
She's
Access to
run away from the monster.
Yeah, she's successful to run away from the monster. What else?
Brave,
She is brave. Why?
but able to run away from a big monster chasing her, and I think that's quite brave to do.
Iya. Maybe you have questioning, Miss Julie. Kenapa sih kita harus belajar naratif? Why we should learn narrative? What is the relations of narrative to our real life? Gitu kan? In narrative, there are contained the moral values. Jadi di teks naratif itu kan gak cuma yang cerita aja, tapi ada moral value-nya, ada pesan moralnya juga. So we can take that moral values for our life. Tentang bagaimana kita harus bersikap dalam in every situations and conditions like that. Do you have any questions before we move? One from your friends. Okay, Dian, what is that?
I have a question, Miss.
Uh-huh.
Like you said before, that a narrative story is a reflection of real life situation. So, what do you think is it in the story Timun Mas that we just saw before?
We're going to relate to our daily life. Now, before I answer that, maybe some of you wants to mention. Okay, Marvel, the importance of brave
And clever.
Clever, the braveness and the cleverness. Good job. Okay, what else? Daniels.
So the other reflection that I got from the story Timun Mas is the power of mother's love.
The power of mother's love. Yes. The name of the mother again? Mbok Srini. What did Mbok Srini do to Timun Emas to save her? Raise your hand. What did Mbok Srini do to save her father? Luna, wanna try? What did Mbok Srini do? Yeah, Mbok Srini went to the hermit. She climbed the mountain, right? Okay, thank you. You may sit down. And okay, I'm gonna hear one more. What do you think is the reflections of Timun Emas in our daily life? Queen.
We can ask for help when in danger.
Yeah, we should ask for help when we are in danger. One important thing, and also my answer, Miss Julis answer ya terhadap questionsnya dari Dian tadi. Never make promise if you cannot fulfill it. Ada nggak di kehidupan nyata kayak gitu? Nah, can you mention the structure of the story? Kira-kira, do you remember what are the three structures of orientation? What is that? Orientation, complications, and resolution. What is the orientations from the story?
The orientation tell about Mbok and Timun Mas life.
Yes, their life ya, the early of their life. Bagaimana caranya Mbok Sur ini bisa get Timun Emas yaitu as her daughter. And then what about in the complications?
Running away from the
Running away from the death. Yes, Jude, what is that? Running away, yeah, running away from the danger.
For me, it's when the demon search for Timun Emas.
Yeah, when the demon search for
Timun Emas.
That's the rising problem ya.
Yeah, rising
Mulainya muncul masalah. Complication-nya itu adalah tadi dia mulai dikejarnya. Okay, good. The last one, the resolution. What do you think?
For me, Timun Mas throwing the pocket that helped her.
Oh yeah, the pocket. We almost forgot about that. How many pockets that Timun Emas have? Four or three? Four. In groups. I have mentioned to you before that you were going to work in groups. So, last meeting, Miss Julie sudah sempat kasih one assessment for you, and then by that result, I have grouping you with your friends. Okay, you are in one group, and then the second group is gonna be Damar. Nah, Damar isn't here, so it's only the four of you. Same, Donna, Alex, and Deviana. Okay, you move now, but make it tenang ya, jangan yang gedebak-gedebuk, gitu, oke? Tenang ya. Oke, silakan move, berkumpul. Class, what you are going to do? 10-1. I can hear you. Okay, listen class. So here, I have stories there di worksheet-nya. Kalian dapat cerita. So what you are going to do? Silahkan kalian analisis ceritanya bersama-sama. There will be one student to present in short about what is the story about. Jadi for your informations, ini ceritanya berbeda-beda ya. Julie sudah sesuaikan dengan hasil dari tesnya. Jadi nanti karena soalnya berbeda-beda, so I want you during the presentations, you're gonna tell your friends first what is the story about. Jadi pakai kata-kata sendiri aja, silahkan dirangkum. Nggak harus yang panjang, nggak harus yang perfect, just do it. Okay. Di sini ada identify and explain each part of the structure. Jadi kalian identify dan juga mention a bit. Misalkan, when is the orientation start? Jadi mulainya dari mana? Sebutin juga sedikit. Complication-nya dan juga resolution-nya itu sama. And then the next questions, analyze three of the main characters. So you mention three personalities of the main character. And then mention his or her feeling in each stage. Jadi misalkan di orientations feelingnya gimana? Is she happy? Is she sad? Kayak gitu. Jadi mention satu aja nggak apa-apa.
Constant.
No. Jadi pakai question yang itu. Kira-kira apa sih ceritanya, berhubungan tentang apa? Tentang terhadap kemiskinan sama harapan di kehidupan yang nyata. Apa hubungannya? Apa yang diajarin ke kita? Kita harus apa? Ya.
Kalau misalnya terjebaknya gimana?
Ya, she or he ya. Thank you so much for your editions, for your corrections, Alexander. Ya. It's better to underline that in which part is started for the orientations and complications and resolutions. If you want to add some evidence, you can just langsung di.
Can we say which paragraph it is?
It's better to read ya.
Harus ditulis.
Mention the situations.
Oh yeah, mention the situation. So like
Tulis aja. Make it in short. For example, you can make the situations in only one sentence. That would be great. Bisa? Belum. Ini kan The Legend of Malin Kundang. Nah, orientationnya tuh kalian bisa buat yang singkat aja. Misal, oh ini dimulai ketika bla bla bla. Jadi kalian nggak perlu copy paste semuanya, tapi rangkum aja dia. Misalkan dimulai ketika dia lahir, atau dimulai ketika dia dikutuk, atau gimana gitu. Jadi mention partnya itu aja. And then number 2 ini main karakternya aja ya. Jadi you mention the main characters. Jadi habis tahu main karakternya siapa, kan cuma satu kan. And then after that, mention personality-nya tuh kayak apa? 3. Find any problem? All good? Right.
Ini ditandain
Yang mananya? Boleh ditandain seperti di circle ya, tapi nanti kalian tuh harus bisa menjelaskan kayak orientationnya yang mana. Orientation it start when, ini dimulai ketika apa gitu. I have circle, nanti you can show it to your friends, for example, like this, this we have make the analysis, for example, I have circle it. Jadi orientationnya itu start when apa, misalkan when the first that when the rabbit born gitu misalkan kan, atau yang lainnya. Kemudian and then di complications I have circle this one, ini tentang apa, bilang juga complicationnya mulai dari mana. Terus juga di bagian resolutionnya, penyelesaiannya seperti apa. Have you done in number 1? Number 2? Resolution. Okay. Guys, don't forget about the rule, okay? Choose one. Kalau misalkan pasal, yang ini retell stories-nya. We have the storyteller, right? Here are in 6 group. Jadi ada 2 kelompok dengan 1 cerita sama. And then later on, when you are presenting your result of analysis, I will invite one groups. Misalkan di teks A ada 1 grup yang maju, and then the other groups yang juga dapat teks A, okay, will adding their findings. Jadi kalian tuh kayak diskusinya di sana nanti. Dan the other group yang nggak dapat teks itu juga boleh bertanya dan menambahkan. Got it?
No, as a person, I can get which would respect at least a little bit more.
Okay, class, ready? Yes, I see most of the groups are already done. Group 1, have you done? Okay, cool. Group 2, have you done? Group 3, have you done? Have you done? Okay, cool. Group 4? Okay. Group 5, have you done? Yes? Which one is group 5? Okay. Group 6 done, yeah? Okay, Kyla is already back. Have you done? By the way? One more number. Okay, class. All done. So now let's we hear for the result of the analysis. Okay, so all of your group members. Class, the other, while your friends are doing presentations, please listen, yeah? And then later on, if you want to add or you want to ask, you can raise your hand and then mention your name and also your student number. Don't forget to, introduce yourself as well, and then tell your analysis information about what you okay?
The story.
Iya, jadi story-nya dulu baru bilangnya jawabannya. All eyes on the presenters, please.
Hello everyone. Hi. Next one.
Hi, Captain.
Good. Alright, so your groups, group 2, your group gonna tell you a story. The story is the clever rabbit and the but. Before that, let us introduce yourself. My name is Alexander. And so I'm gonna tell a story. The clever rabbit and the fierce tiger. The jungle was peaceful and thank the clever rabbit. And that's the end of the story. Okay, so
No. So the orientation will start when?
so the orientation is the first chapter and the second chapter. Like once upon a time, but one animal was not scared.
Okay.
The complication is from the once evening the animals are meeting. The last solution is from the when the tiger fell into the well. The main character is rabbit. The rabbit was a brave, clever, and a smart character. We learned that being smart and calm is more powerful than being strong and angry. We also have to think before we act.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you so much and salam sejahtera.
Okay, salam sejahtera. But don't go anywhere. Give applause to your friends first. Thank you for the great presentation. But class, we also have another group that has the same stories like we hear. Maybe you want to add something for theirs, for their finding. For example, you got something different from the main character's personality or something. No, it's the same. Okay, next we're gonna hear from the worksheet B. So, who's gonna do the presentations? Is it in group 3 or group 4? Okay, cool. Prada and group.
Okay, we're from group 3 and we're going to present our worksheet B, which tells the story of the legend of Malin Kundang. Now, before we start, we'd like to introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Prada.
My name is Eva.
My name is Phoebe.
My name is Luna.
Squid.
Okay, I'm going to start the presentation on the summary in a seaside village in Padang, where Sumatra lived a widow. Turns out Malin Kundang has lied to his wife that he was, I guess, born into a rich family and her mother was a nobleman, kneeling for forgiveness from his mother until today. So that was the summary of the story. You can ask questions later after we finish the presentation. And now we're gonna get into the analysis. So we're gonna start from the first question. Luna and Quinn.
Okay, so the first question is story. First, orientation. It starts of the story that can be seen when the story introduces Malin Kundang and Mande Rubaya.
This can be seen in the first sentence in the story, which was, once upon a time in a seaside village in Padang, West Sumatra, lived a widow called Mande Rubaya with her only son, Malin Kundang.
Okay, second.
A little bit louder, guys.
Second complication. It when Malin insists that Mande Rubaya is not his mom. As is resolution. It's when Mande Rubaya pray to God for his.
Next question is Afa and Phoebe.
The main character is Malin Kundang. The characteristics are ungrateful, disobedient, and aggressive.
In my opinion, the lesson that we can learn from this story is that we shouldn't be disobedient
Okay,
to our
that
mother.
was the presentation of our analysis. Before we end, I would like to ask your group, because I know you guys also got Malin Kundang. Do you guys have any additions to our story, maybe? Or is everything the same? Okay, to that I'm going to close this presentation to say thank you and salam sejahtera.
Give it all to your friends. For the last stories in worksheet C. So, who wants to be the volunteer from 2 groups? For Diane's groups, you can check whether it's the same or something different. Okay. Class, listen.
Good afternoon, everyone, and salam sejahtera.
Salam sejahtera.
5 and we're going to present about the story of the little match girl. Before that, we'll introduce ourselves. I'm Namara.
Madam.
I'm Gaby.
Okay, we're going to start by summarizing the story.
The orientation is hard when the story introduces the little girl condition, freezing outside in the evening of New Year's Eve while trying to sell matches, and the complication is when she almost died with cold. So she decides. The resolution is when she quickly struck a bundle of matches after nerve frozen to death on New Year.
For the number 2 orientation, she was freezing cold, innocent, and also hopeful. For the complication, she was brave, imaginative, and also loving. And for the resolution, it was like peaceful, faithful, and also joyful.
For the number 3, a short reflective paragraph from the thesis. We care with each other's life, especially those who are in poverty, so we can at least help them out of their poor condition and bring hope and joy into their life. We must be kind to those who live in poverty to show and give them hope of fulfilling life. That's all about our analysis.
Maybe some questions or
Any questions or additions? No, all the same? Okay, thank you so much. And then, thank you so much. And then class, that's all for our presentations today. Thank you so much. So, secara umum, in general, Miss Julie can tell that all of your analysis start from the worksheet A about the rabbits and also the tiger, the worksheet B about the Malin Kundang, and also the worksheet C about the little match girl. Itu analisisnya sudah tepat sekali ya. Miss Julie juga sambil tadi cek one by one in each group, analisis kalian juga sudah sesuai. Who is the main characters, how's about their personality, about the structures, the orientation, complications, and also resolution. Bahkan ada juga tadi yang mentioning about Miss, can we just start from the racing problem until the main until the climax, sampai di masalah intinya, itu boleh sekali. And also the last about the morals, it's very good. Kalian bisa menemukannya dengan tepat, dengan benar. Berarti you are able to find what can we learn from every problem. That's the things. Berarti kalau kalian sudah bisa melakukannya, tujuan pembelajarannya sudah tercapai belum? Sudah. Good job. I wanna hear the conclusion from all of you. Ini nanti, what do you think? What have you learned from the narrative? Not yet, belum ya. Maybe siapa yang mau menyampaikan tentang refleksinya, apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Ada? Okay, take it. You mean stand up. Okay.
Learn how to analyze characters from their personality, their traits, their flaws. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's the most important one, yeah. We can interpret it in our daily life. Anything else? Okay, wait. Gaby first, yeah.
Today, from the stories, especially the Little Match Girl, I learned that every love contains moral values that can be taken, such as compassion, hope, and also caring for others, which is so important in our daily life.
Yeah, we need to care to others. Yeah, that's the most important one. Jadi, good job, Gaby. Anyone else? One more? Okay. The last one, yeah, from Kayana. What is that?
And also the complication, also the resolution. And it helps me to understand the plot more.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, give applause to all of you, class. You did a great job. All good. This one, you can scan the barcode, the QR code in your phone. So this is about the reflections. How are you feeling? Me and Marvel being smart. Kita next to the second question. What was the most interesting in today's activity? Yang paling interesting. Watching a short movie, reading a story. Sorry. All of them semuanya. Timun Mas, watching the videos. Morals. Okay. Next question, yeah. What did you do well today? Learning. I did analyze well. Good. Okay, cool. And then class, the last. Okay, this is the last. 1 until 10, which number shows your understanding? 1 until 5. Understanding. You missed the G. Thank you. Okay, class. So that's all for our teaching and learning process today. Semoga semuanya bermanfaat buat kalian. And then for our next meeting, we're gonna still continue talking about the narrative, tapi nanti di recorded speech-nya. It's will more about the grammar, okay? Any questions for the last? No? Okay, if there is no question, I think that's all for today. I thank you so much. And then for ending, maybe Donna, you can lead us in a prayer. Okay. So everybody, let's stand up.
Ya, Putra dan Roh Kudus, coba beratmu atas berkatmu. Bapa, Putra dan Roh Kudus. Amin.
Okay. Salam sejahtera. Thank you so much, class.